free from fog fats, oils, and grease. These bad boys catch slick substances before they slime up your system, saving you from future plumber fees and spontaneous dance-offs with floor grease. Placement, size, and maintenance are key. These aren't set-it-and-forget-it gadgets. They need regular cleaning like a teenager's room, lest they overflow. Summary: all this talk can leave your head spinning, much like our poor vent pipes without their fittings. But fear not. Drain pipe sizing, get it right for efficient drainage and avoid clogs. Vent pipe installation, ensure breathable systems, keeping your home smell-free. Traps and interceptors, protect against smells and unwanted greasy specters. Add images of properly sized vent installations or diagrams of interceptor workings when your eyes start glazing over. For dynamic learning, a short video introducing plumbing systems can invigorate the lesson. Remember, residential drainage systems are like a good comedy show. They work best when everything flows smoothly. Until next time, keep those pipes flowing and your spirits high. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, when life gives you lemons, call a plumber to fix the drain. This is how we come to the end of today's lesson on residential drainage